Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to separate them in here. Now we need to focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 9. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So this one we change for u. 2s ds we change for du. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared plus 9. Now we need to focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 3 tan t. So because if I put this one gone here, we have number 9 tan t squared, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 we change for secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by the s. Now we can do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 3 secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one gone here. The s that is about this one. So this one that is about number 9 tan t squared. So number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. This one that is about secant of t squared. And now we simplify this one, and we just have dt. The integration of this one, we have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And now we can find the final answer. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we need to compile the answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.